Hi students, welcome back to the class which is discussing about energy. We have learned that there are different forms of energy such as mechanical energy, chemical energy, electrical energy, light energy, heat energy, sound, magnetic and nuclear energy. Among this, we have learned about mechanical energy. Today, let us learn about the other forms of energy. First one is chemical energy. Chemical energy is the energy stored in a matter which is available for work through chemical process. This energy is released when chemicals are burned or when they undergo chemical change. For example, fuels such as coal, petrol, and natural gas have chemical energy. Burning of these fuels convert chemical energy into light and heat, or it can be changed into another form of chemical energy. Other example is that the food we eat is stored as chemical energy. When the food undergoes a chemical change in our body, it releases energy and enables us to talk, walk, play, and perform physical activities. Next one is electrical energy. Electrical energy is the energy produced due to the flow of electric charge through a substance. This moving electric charge are called electrons. The moving electric charge are called electrons. Lightning is a flash of bright light in the sky that is created by an electrical discharge moving between clouds or from clouds to the ground. It is an example for the electrical energy. We know that electricity, it travels at the speed of light more than 3 into 10 to the power of 5 km per second. If you would travel at the speed of light, you could go around the earth 7.5 times in 1 second. I will repeat once again. If you would travel at the speed of light, then you can go around the earth 7.5 times in 1 second. In a car battery, a chemical reaction creates an electron which has the energy to move in an electric current. These moving charges provide electrical energy to the circuit in the car. Many other examples are there for electrical energy. We know that this electrical energy is used to run household appliances such as televisions, refrigerators, washing machines, fans, coolers, and computers. It is also used to run trains and machines in factories. Next form of energy that we are going to discuss is light energy. Light energy is a form of energy that enables us to see objects around us. Light contains photons, which are minute packets of energy. That means small packets of energy. Light can travel through space where there is no air. The sun emits a large amount of light energy. Humans are able to see only a fraction of this energy, which is known as visible light. Then, the plants use the light energy of the sun to prepare food. Next kind of energy that we are going to discuss is heat energy. Heat is a form of energy that causes a sensation of hotness and coldness. It can be transferred from a hotter body to a cooler body. That means when we are putting ice in a hot water or normal water, what will happen? Yes, the ice will melt. This is because heat energy from the hot or normal water is transferring to the ice. Thus, we can say that Heat energy will be transferred from a hotter body to a cooler body. Then this heat energy has the capacity to do work. How means we use heat energy to cook food and keep ourselves warm. So we can say that heat energy will be transferred from a hotter body to a cooler body and it has the capacity to do work. We will be discussing about other forms of energy in next class. Till then take care. Thank you.